video of mine. So today I'm going to the temple and it's just that it's a holiday and just feel like roaming here and there. So thought of just visiting the temple for now. Yeah, this flight noise. I guess it's just I'll get back. So I stay near the airport. So this is the common problem which I face during the recording or even in the attending of the meetings of my. Work and every other things. Whenever I talk over phone or I attend any other calls or meeting, this is a problem whenever this runway is given to the flights to land over there. So not a problem for that. So that is what I was telling, that today is my plan to go and visit the temple, and then I'll be going to Hounslow High Street. I'll show you things there, and there are much more other stuffs. Today's weather is cloudy, so it's pretty good enough and it's cool, not that much warm, not that cold, but it is really very good and I'm enjoying it very well. So before going to the temple, I'll buy something from the supermarket. So I'm thinking of buying milk, and here if you are buying milk, make sure that you buy the organic milk because they won't accept any other milk other than organic milk. So let me go to Salisbury. I'll just show you the organic milk which I get it from here, and the bus numbers also, as I'm staying in Hounslow, so the bus number from here only I can suggest, and I'll tell you the place. It's actually in the Beach Avenue, so and it's really very amazing and very soothing to go there, and you can have a time to spend there as well. So and one more thing is that they serve the prasad there, so that includes rice, dal or the sambar or any other things like that. So even you can go and have the prasad, or if you want to do the annadan, which is called, if you want to do some seva for the other people, then you are also you have a chance to do that, so you can just go and talk with them. So it's in the Beach Avenue and it's a Hanuman Mandir, and as I mentioned that this is the 7th month going on, so they have a shivling there as well. So if you want to go and do worship over there and do any other aradhanas over there, so that's also available for you. Yeah, so let me go to Salisbury's and I'll show you things over there as well. Hey guys, so I've got this organic mint from Salisbury and I'm just moving forward to my other destination. I just missed the bus, both the buses 235 and 237, which goes to Beach Avenue from Hounslow. So I've missed both the buses. Now I need to wait for 10 more minutes. Now I am out of the temple because I'm done with my prayers and the quality time which I wanted to spend inside the temple for my mental peace. So for me it is really very good. And one more thing which I would like to share with you guys is that this temple was this place where the temple is built, it was the location and the building was before it was a church, and then it has been transformed to a Hindu temple. But still it is the same feeling what you have it when you go to a church or you go to a mandir. You find a peace there, right? So if you come here, you will see and experience that peace. It is very good. Yeah, we did not have a permission to go inside and shoot the video inside because they do not promote any marketing. Every Saturday I make sure that I come here because Monday to Friday I'm busy with my works, but Saturday at least I try my best to come here. Now I'll be moving back to home, and then on the way I'll be getting down to the Hounslow High Street. I'll go for some shopping. I'll show you things there as well. So please be tuned. Is the Holy Trinity Church, and you get all the fruits here for and the other vegetables whatever are available just for £1. You can come and have a look over here and buy your stuff. And now you see here gadgets and gift zone. Here we have Jayashree Essentials. Here you'll see the poster here. So now we'll go inside. You'll get all the spiritual things and the holy things, whatever you want to decorate for your house. So you will go all the way here. And finally, so you see all the flowers hanging here. So this is this stall. If you want some rakhis, this is here. Diyas are here, and all the other photos of the gods are also available here. So this is the shop, and here. Can I please know your name?
Akansha.
Okay, hi Akansha.
Hi.
So I'm blogging from my YouTube channel. This is Vibes with Kavita. So can you please explain me what all can we get over here, because I can see bangles over here, the earrings, small earrings, henna, mehendi, and this rakhis as well. So can you just tell me and give a brief interview of the things that what you have been present here, because I can see the dresses for the small kids also, right? Do you have available for the elder people?
No, we have only the kids dresses at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it only for the, like a Janmashtami or the Navratri for the Radha Rani, the children, like that, or probably for the Navratri dresses for the children's. And plus we do have like a kind of crown and basuri especially for them.
Okay.
Yeah, I can show you around if you want it.
Yeah, sure, that will be really good.
Yeah, so here is it like that. We have like the crowns, they will wear it up.
Okay.
Yeah, or either we do have like a proper set at the top.
Okay, yeah, that set, right?
Yeah, like that one, or like a smaller one. We do have like a different one, like example like these ones.
Oh, nice. These are really beautiful.
Yeah, so we do have like a Hindi and English books. Like here, the childrens, they can't able to like read the Hindi, so we do have like a English Hanuman Chalisa example, English Bhagavad Gita, Shiv Puran.
So these are all the translation in English, right?
Yeah.
That nobody will have a problem here, because the children and the other people also here, most of them, they do not know Hindi, so it is beneficial for them to have just read it in English, right?
Absolutely.
Wow, that's really good. Can you just tell me a price for all these things?
Okay, they are the different prices. The different prices are totally different from the
Mhm.
stuff. Like example, if you're talking about the small different like a bracelet, we do have like a different sort of Rudraksh bracelet. These one. Like this is £5. This is £3. This is £4. This is again £4. So different style. This is like a Rudraksh malas we have here.
So this mala is 108, right?
Yes.
This is for the jap, right?
Yes, absolutely. This is for the jar.
Okay. Oh, that is nice.
So we do have Tulsi malas also, example like this.
Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So we do have different kind of Tulsi malas, Tafix mala, like here we have the Tafix mala.
And why is this Christian mala for?
Oh, this is actually for for the peace and at the home, like the getting the positivity.
Okay.
Yeah, for that.
So this is not specific for anybody. Anyone can take this, right?
Absolutely.
Because we have heard for Tulsi Mala that not everybody can do it.
Yeah.
So this is for everyone. I believe they can do it, right?
Yeah, these ones, Rudraksh, everyone can be. Only the Tulsi malas we have, like for the Tulsi, the bracelet of Tulsi. This is only like the people who can't able to like eat onion or garlic. They they only can wear this one. Apart from there, no, sorry, because this is something which is actually related to our tradition and culture.
Okay. Thank you so much for this. And these are something which we hang on the gates, right?
Yes, absolutely. These are the different stuff like shuklabs with different like elephants ones with the like Kamdenu cow one. That one we have. Normal ones we have even.
It's really nice to see this because all the way from India we have come here. We really cannot find all these things anywhere, and we cannot just carry everything from India and come here and keep all the things for the worship. So you're doing a great job by putting everything here. Like if anybody wants to come and buy this set also, they can just have an Indian set buy from a shop here, because if they will order from online, then it will take some time to come, and if in an emergency purpose they can just come and buy things from here as well.
Absolutely. That's the reason we are actually only the one shop in Hounslow High Street. In the Hounslow region, we are having all the puja stuff, artificial jewelry, bangles, bindis, and the mehndi. And we do have the mehndi artists also. Example, somebody wanted like a proper like for the Karwa Chauth or some Tej is coming. They wanted to do something like a mehndi and all at their home, like in their like hands. So we have a mehndi artist also. They can make a booking also for that as well.
And what is the price for that?
Depend upon actually for the one veil like front and back, like example for 2 hands like is £20, and if they wanted like this till this length, so it is 25 each hands like that.
Okay, and if we want just a normal design until our palm, then
Oh, just a palm is like £15.
both hands,
Both hands.
front and back both, right? Oh, that's really nice. I love the bindi designs also. This is for Trishul and swastik also. So people do apply this, right?
Yeah, absolutely. See, example right now the Sawan is going on. So example to for their in culture and tradition to respect, right? They can wear the trishul like that. Normal like have you seen the ISKCON people?
Yes.
They wear like this small like this for that. So this is for our Shivji, right? Like that way. Or swastik is for the goodwill, right? Anyways, for your. And so this one you can wear it on the Diwali also. Something different you can do it, right? Normally you wear the normal bindis, right? So this is something different that you can have it.
Oh, nice.
And yeah, we do have a different style. Even this is, we do have the butterflies also here. Even yeah, we do have lots of them.
Yeah, this is the
here the
butterflies.
butterfly.
It's beautiful. It's really very beautiful. And I'll definitely come here because I also need to buy some stuffs from here. I'll definitely get it from you because I already met you in the Lakshmi Narayan Mandir. You put a stall there too, right?
Yes, absolutely. And I can show you one of the things. We do have this bel patra. So you can come and get the bel patra from here.
Oh wow! Because we don't get this here. The proper bel patra. And what is the price for this pack?
150.
150. And do you know how many pieces will be there inside it?
It will be around 6 to 7 pieces. We do have the Ganpati. The Ganpati is coming, so we do have the eco-friendly Ganpati.
Oh, okay. And the size is also pretty good. And what is the price for this as well?
This is £20. We do coming up with the long big ones as well, like a 7 inches, 8 inches, 12 inches. Ganpati is also coming, so guys get ready for that because we do have the torans and everything for it.
For the decorations of the house, right? Even we are putting the Ganpati in our house, so I'll definitely come here to take the Ganpati.
Definitely.
I like this because this is eco-friendly and we do not have a problem. It's a very standard size which we do not even have a problem in doing the Visarjan in the home itself.
Absolutely. You just put it in your bucket and
yes. And Janmashtami is also coming, so you have Krishna and with the Jhula as well.
Yeah, we do have the different style of Jhulas here, you can see there.
Okay. Oh, you have the crown and every other set, right?
Absolutely.
That's nice. So, and people can come here for any other festivals as well, right? They can just come and have these things can be used in the Diwali purpose also to decoration of the house.
When the Diwali comes, there is a lot of more collection will be coming up with the diyas and decorative pieces.
Okay, so that again I'll come at that time.
Definitely.
Just have a view of your thing.
We do have like a different kind of like a sets. You can see example like this. We do have the like here for the Ganesh Lakshmi, and even you will get the Ganesh Lakshmi also here.
Okay.
Diwali.
So that is also eco-friendly
Absolutely.
things? Oh, that's nice. Okay, so yeah, thank you for your interview and all the brief of these things you have in your stall. So I'll just say all my viewers to just have, if you want to buy something related to all these stuffs and all the other decorations of your house or any other clothes for the gods you have in your house, and all the malas are here for every available size. If you have a small spiritual things into your house, you can get these things. If you have a larger one or the more bigger one are there available, everything is available here. So please do come and visit here. You have the chundris as well if you want to apply this in the Navratri. It's used mostly, right?
Yeah, we have chunris, we have asas, we have Hanuman Jhanda as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they have basuris. So beautiful basuris are here.
Yeah.
I really like them.
Yeah.
And what is the price for this?
This is 350.
Okay, 3.50 pound, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's so nice.
And we do have a small thing like this as well. You can see.
Yeah. But this will not fit for my Krishna what I have
we
at
do
home,
have the smaller
because
ones.
I have the zero size one.
Absolutely, we do have the smaller ones for them.
Oh wow,
The
that's so
different
nice.
colors, different styles.
Yeah, I like them. And I believe this will be very helpful for all the other viewers and who are staying in Hounslow also, because at least in Hounslow we have many Indian stores there, but we do not have this kind of a store here. And as you're saying, this is the only store here based in Hounslow. So I believe people will be coming from more other places also to here, because in the other locations we do not get any Indian things anywhere.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Keep coming.
Yeah, sure. So this is a token of gift which I got from Jayashree Essentials for the blogging and a good interview session with Akansha and all the other details which she provided us. So this is the pen, and this is a magnet kind of a thing which you can use to put it in the back of your phone, or you can stick it anywhere. You have a glue over here so you can remove and do it here. And this is a bag which you can carry everywhere. It's a pretty strong bag. So this is a token of gift which I got for Grim. So I'm almost on the end of my video, so I'll be getting back with you guys with my other video coming up. Thank you.